Custody boss, that's it. My leverage reinforce sports right.
OMG. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. Alkaline is gonna drop.
My leverage reinforce sports rights. Drive rate, overstand see me have a lot for my play.
Yo, Alkaline's gonna drop a new track called Earn Your Way. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Vendetta fans, you guys are getting a treat today. Because not only is Alkaline going to be dropping some new material, he also has another show coming up. Another new rules for 2025.
Hey, Canada. June 21st, 2025.
Yes, Canada. Yes, Toronto, Canada. Yay! We are so lucky. We're going to get new rules June 21st, 2025 at Rebel Nightclub. Let him finish telling you.
New rules. Rebel Nightclub.
This is going to be nuts. Rebel Nightclub is downtown Toronto off of the lake shore at 11 Polson Street. Please get there at least 3 hours before the show time, which is at 10:30 p.m., ending at 3 a.m. Woo!
Featuring yours truly, Alkaline. New Era Production. New rules.
Yo, big up New Era Production. Big up Carrie Alkaline's sister and manager. Big up yourself. Big up New Rules Festival. Make sure you guys follow those accounts. New Rules Festival, Carrie's account, Alkaline's account, just to keep updated with all the latest information. But I'm willing to provide you some ticket information. You can get your tickets at ticketgateway.com.
Done.
So make sure you get those tickets ASAP, because remember, Alkaline is going to be in the UK April 17th, 2025, and the tickets are almost fully sold out. So don't sleep on this. Remember to like, subscribe, follow, and share. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay safe.
Tell them no confusion. Boss be everybody.